Hey everyone, welcome back to English Dialogue Box. Have you ever had a fight with your friend after grocery shopping? Have you ever opened a grocery bag and thought, what is this? In this video, you will watch a funny and realistic conversation between two friends who live together. One friend is very serious about food, and the other one loves snacks more than real groceries. This dialogue is full of humor, daily English words, long conversations, and real-life arguments that happen in hostels and shared rooms. It is specially made for English learners who want to improve speaking, listening, and vocabulary in a fun way. So relax, enjoy the argument, learn new English sentences, and don't forget to smile, because grocery shopping can be dangerous when friends are involved. Shopping cart. Face with tears of joy. Let's start the conversation.
Bilal, I want you to sit down first, because if you stay standing, you might run away after hearing what I'm about to say. I opened the grocery bag, and honestly, I am confused, disappointed, hungry, and mentally tired at the same time. Why are you speaking like a teacher before giving punishment? Just tell me what happened. I went to the shop, I stood in line, I paid money. That alone deserves respect. Respect is earned, not bought with chocolate. Tell me one thing very honestly. Did you even look at the grocery list I sent you? Yes, I looked at it many times. I saw it, I felt it, I respected it, emotionally. Emotionally? Groceries are not feelings, Bilal. They are items. Where's the rice? About rice, let us not start with rice. Let us start with something positive, like these chips. Look at the color. Very attractive. I don't want attraction, I want food. Rice is our basic item. Without rice, our kitchen is just decoration. You are exaggerating. We can survive one day without rice. We survived yesterday without rice. Survival is not the goal, living is. Okay, but listen to my side also. The shop was crowded, my brain was tired, too many options, life decisions everywhere. Your life decisions always end at snacks. Why did you buy 4 packets of biscuits? Because they were on sale and I felt responsible. I didn't want to waste the offer. You wasted money instead. We need vegetables, real vegetables, the ones that grow, not the ones that come in packets. Vegetables don't understand me. When I eat them, I feel no happiness. Happiness will leave when your health leaves. Where are onions? Onions are dangerous. They make me cry. I'm already emotional. You cry without onions too. Where's cooking oil? I saw oil. I touched oil. But then I remembered last time you said oil is heavy. I meant physically heavy, not don't buy it. English is confusing. Life with you is confusing. Why are you so angry? You're acting like the house will collapse without tomatoes. The house will not collapse, but my patience will. You bought cold drinks but forgot milk. Milk is boring. Cold drinks are exciting. Exciting for 5 minutes. Hunger lasts longer. Okay, let me ask you something. Why don't you go for grocery? Because last time I went, you said I buy boring things. Yes, because you buy food like a hospital menu. At least hospital food keeps people alive. Alive but sad. Alive but sad is better than happy and hungry. Listen, I admit I made some mistakes, but look at the positive side. I didn't forget salt. Salt? Salt is everywhere. Even my tears have salt now. Okay, that was funny, but seriously, I tried. My brain just stops working in grocery stores. Your brain works perfectly in the snacks aisle. That is my comfort zone. Our comfort zone is eating proper food. Your comfort zone. Mine is chocolate. Next time, we will make rules. Rule number 1, list is boss. I don't like bosses. Rule number 2, no shopping on empty stomach. That explains everything. Rule number 3, snacks come after essentials. Define essentials. Rice, flour, vegetables, milk, oil, and chocolate? Chocolate is a reward, not a necessity. Life without chocolate feels illegal. Now, listen carefully. You are going back to the shop. Right now? Yes, while a shopkeeper still remembers you. He already judges me. Good. Maybe shame will help memory.
Okay, give me the list again, slowly, clearly, like I'm 5 years old.
Rice, big bag.
Rice, big.
Vegetables, all kinds.
Even boring ones?
Especially boring ones.
Fine. Milk, 2 packets. 2, not 1.
Oil,
Heavy but important.
and no extra snacks.
1 chocolate?
1.
Deal.
Go now.
If I forget rice again,
Then you will eat biscuits for dinner, alone.
motivation level high.